This is Aurora with Supercharged Science, and we are at Yellowstone National Park, and you are looking at Great Fountain Geyser. And what's really cool about this one is it erupts. The average eruptions are between 100 to 200 feet high or more. And when it erupts, it lasts for about 45 to 60 minutes, and it's in a series of bursts. Now, Great Fountain takes between 10 to 14 hours to rebuild after an eruption, and you can tell it's about to erupt because about half an hour to an hour and a half beforehand, it starts to overflow into these pool areas you see here, along the sides here. It starts to overflow here, and you know an eruption is about to come. Now, this one does generally erupt regularly. It's pretty dependable. Once in a while, it'll be off schedule, but for the most part, you will have regular eruptions, and this one's called the Great Fountain Geyser. The White Dome Geyser is next.